In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can download and install Blender on your laptop or PC for completely free. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tech tips just like this. First things first, once you do get loaded into your PC, you're going to want to go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but you can use anything that you would like. In the search bar up at the very top, simply go ahead and type in Blender, and you should see an option for blender.org at the very top. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you are on this page, go ahead and find this little download button up at the very top and click on it, and it's going to take you to a page that now looks like this. Now, if you are on Windows, you just need to click on this Windows installer up at the very top, but if you are on a different one, go ahead and select this option and find whatever your device you're on. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and just click Download Blender. And as you can see, it's going to automatically start running for you. There is this section to allow you to donate to the program because overall this program is free. It is not required though. So in this case, we don't need to go ahead and do any of that. And as you can see, our download is actually running up at the very top. Once the download finishes, go ahead and click on it to open up the installer, and it'll begin installing for you. Just continue your way through this process until the app is fully installed. You may need to click yes on the setup wizard a few times and next a few times, but just go through this and you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.